Hello, welcome to Kingston Maurward again. I'm Nigel Hewish, I'm the head gardener here at the college. Today we're looking at digging and incorporation of organic matter. So what I've done to start off with is I've taken out a trench and put the soil into the barrow. I've then incorporated some organic matter into that trench. I've then dug a further trench. So the next thing is to fill the trench with some more organic matter, and what I've got here is some well rotted manure, and we can add that to the trench. So I'm incorporating this organic matter, well rotted farmyard manure, into the base of the trench, roughly 3 or 4 forkfuls to the 4-foot wide raised bed. So next we're going to dig the next trench and turn it over into the trench and cover the manure. Now I'm just taking about half a width of trench so that I don't take too much at once, and then I can come back again and take another half width, and that will then cover the manure. And so then I can just clean the trench out, so we're then ready to put some more manure in the next trench, and again repeat, even that out across the base of the trench. So as well as using well rotted farmyard manure, we could also use our own homemade garden compost, and as the compost breaks down, and so it then gets a nice friable material that we can then incorporate into our vegetable plot. Rather than digging in the compost, it might be that we just want to put it on the surface of the soil as a mulch. Now that's ideal with our soil, our lighter soil, because it will gradually work its way in. On heavier soils you might actually want to be forking it in or digging it in, but we could just put it onto the surface a couple of inches, 2-3 inches deep over the surface, and that can rot down over the winter period and give us a good organic matter for growing in the spring. So at this time of the year we can be gathering up our leaves, and then in a year or two's time we can end up with some lovely friable leaf mould that again we can use in our vegetable gardens and on our borders. So the days are getting shorter, but it's nice and bright and cool today. We've harvested our pumpkins and just a few squashes left. I hope you've enjoyed the digging today, and next time we'll be looking at hardwood cuttings and some layering.